So I'm a real sucker for multi-tools, and I have a bunch of Leatherman that I love. I've looked at other brands, and I haven't got too excited of them. I think I bought a Gerber once, and I just wasn't too excited about it and everything. Recently, I saw this one reviewed, and I had to have it because it was very, very different from other ones that I've seen. So this is from a company called Roxon, R-O-X-O-N, and they sell several different types of multi-tools, and most of them are all metal designs and stuff, but this one really caught my eye because it had these G10 handles, very similar to the knife that I've got. This is a, who makes a Spyderco, and Spyderco. And it's the same, these G10 handles are really cool. So this one looks different than most multi-tools that I've seen. It's square in shape too, which is very, very unusual. It has some interesting features and stuff on it. So yeah, it has a Roxon here. It's got a clip. It's not reversible. The clip stays on just one spot. So it's got a little thing here. You go, okay, well, that's pretty standard. That's the knife that comes out. It has a liner lock, so locking blade. It doesn't have a great edge to it. Could put a better edge on it, but so that's the blade. Fairly nice blade. Let's see, there's a ruler. It is about 60 millimeters to about 2 1/4 inch, something like that. So yeah, pretty nice. So it is a multi-tool, so you expected to see some other things, okay? So let's show some of the other things. Let's see, which one should we do first? Let's do this one. There's some tools here, and at first I couldn't figure out how to use my fingernail to get them out, but you use this little thing on the side and you push this and they kind of pop up. Now you have 3 to choose from here. You've got a combination can opener, bottle opener. I haven't seen that before. Probably it's real standard, but I just haven't seen it. It has an awl, so this is very similar to like a Victorinox awl. It has a slot in it, so you can use it to lace things with. But this one has an extremely sharp edge on it, really, really sharp edge, so it's also interesting. And that sharp edge, let me pull this one out, that sharp edge goes right against this here, so it's interesting cutting action there. But anyway, so it's got this sharp edge, and then it has a fingernail file and a real nice Phillips head, nice and thick Phillips head, so not a cheesy half a Phillips head. No, it's a full Phillips head, and they all lock. Okay, so they'll have a nice lock on them. All these 3 tools will lock, and the way that you unlock them is you push this little thing over, and then they unlock. So you pop them open to get one out. Let's say we bring this one, it locks in place, and then you've got a bottle opener, can opener. The can opener could use a little sharpening. I'm going to put a better edge on that there. Victorinox does a nice job of putting an edge on them. This needs a little bit more. It's that classic Victorinox can opener thing. So again, to unlock it, you press the little thing over. Okay, so those are those 3 tools. There's another tool here side by side, so it's a saw. It also has a liner lock, so it's the nice double cut, flat edged saw. It's got a little pokey thing here at the end too that might be handy for some things. So yeah, oops, liner lock on that. Okay, and I think the only other thing that we have to go now is this one. So we pulled this out, and in the handle of this is hiding, right here, is hiding a pair of tweezers that look just like Victorinox tweezers. Okay, so those are hiding in the handle here. Let's see, how can I put them back in? There we go. So they're hiding there. Now this handle flips out, and then you just keep flipping. You just keep going, and boom! Now you have a big pair of scissors. Right? These are big. And so yeah, very, very usable scissors, nice and spring-loaded. So yeah, I like this thing. It's because it's so different than other multi-tools that I've seen. Yeah, like the G10, and yeah, it's pretty close. Oh, I forgot one thing. It's got one extra feature. Right here, it's hard to see, but there's a little dot there, and that is a little hemisphere of carbide, I think. It's a glass breaker. So if you whack this onto tempered glass, it'll shatter it. So yeah, a little bit of little tiny glass breaker there. I paid $29 for this. If you search AliExpress, that's the only place I could find them, was on AliExpress. And I think only one vendor had. They're not, of all of the ones I think Roxon makes, this was the hardest one to seem to be able to find. So yeah, I really like it. Blade, scissors, tweezers, knife, bottle opener, can opener, all Phillips head, Phillips head has the nail file over on this side, and on this side, I didn't show it, is a scale, millimeters and inches. So that could be coming in handy. They do sell an accessory package for this knife, which is a little bit gimmicky, but it fits this. This is a square head right here where that Phillips is. This is a square head. And they sell a little thing that sticks on there, and then you can put bits on. So you can put Torx bits and Phillips bits and stuff, little tiny regular bits. So you can buy that as an extra add-on. It was, I think, $10 for that. I didn't see it being useful. But yeah, I really like it. I just thought I'd point it out in case anybody else needs to add to their collection. Yeah, and if Roxon's listening, you can send me all of your other tools. So yeah, no, that's kind of cool.